In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files or folders on Dropbox, whether you're within the standard recovery window or if you've passed it. Understanding how to navigate Dropbox's recovery process can save you a lot of hassle and potentially important data down the line. Let's start by exploring the recovery window. Depending on your Dropbox plan, you have different timeframes for recovering files. If you're using Basic, Plus, or Family plans, you can recover deleted or edited files for up to 30 days. Meanwhile, Professional, Standard, and Essentials plans offer a 180-day recovery window. Those using Advanced or Enterprise plans might have even longer, with up to a year or more thanks to additional add-ons. Knowing your window is crucial as it determines your options for getting files back. Now, if you need to restore files within this window, follow these steps. First, head over to Dropbox.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Deleted Files. This page shows a list of all the files or folders you've deleted. If the list seems overwhelming, use the available filters to help pinpoint the specific file or folder you're looking for. Once you spot the item you want to retrieve, select it, then click the Restore button. Your file should then return to its original location as if it was never gone. In cases where a large batch of files was deleted, you can monitor the process through the Restorations tab. Here, you'll see the status of the ongoing recovery. Sometimes, your situation might call for additional tools. For those instances where you've lost many files, or maybe even entire folders, Dropbox offers a feature called Dropbox Rewind. This tool allows you to roll back your account or chosen folders to a previous point in time, effectively undoing any accidental deletions. For larger-scale restores, especially in business accounts, reaching out to Dropbox support might be necessary. They can provide assistance, but you'll need to supply an event link from your events page for them to help specifically with your case. Now, what happens if you're past the recovery window? This is an important consideration. Once your specified time frame expires, 30 days for Basic and Plus plans, 180 for most paid plans, the files are typically permanently removed from your deleted files list, and regular recovery becomes impossible. Upgrading your plan after the files have been deleted won't extend the recovery window retroactively for those already deleted files. Moreover, if files were permanently deleted, either intentionally or as a result of retention policy, Dropbox support often cannot assist in recovering these files. Being aware of your options and timelines can make a big difference in managing your Dropbox account efficiently and safeguarding your important files. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you confidently